Hey y'all, how you doing?
Oh, you need an intro.
So
what? You need an intro.
What's up, pedestrians? How you doing?
Anyway, would you rather we gonna start?
We're gonna do it. Would you rather while we eating this? I was gonna do it ASMR, but you know, oh wait, I'm sorry. I need to tell them what's gonna pop off. You know what I'm saying? What's gonna pop off? Okay.
Then look at my butt naked.
Would you rather funny questions funny questions funny. There we go. All right. So you want to go first? Or no? You know, I got my clout Sprite here. You know, sponsor me. Hey, what's up? What's good, pedestrians?
Hey.
So we here and we eating food. As you can see,
Yeah, we got a bunch of finger
you look like mukbang, the mukbang thing, the mukbang.
No, it's the muck.
Mook.
The mukbang.
Mook.
Muck.
The mook.
The mukbang. We're about to do some would you rather questions. What we're doing is to spice it up a little bit. We're not just about to be sitting here eating and shit. So we about to throw some good ass content here. So we're gonna have Nigella. We're gonna have Nigella start.
So
give me the computer.
So would you rather have to announce to everyone around you whenever you have to fart or pee in your pants daily?
Bitch, I gotta fart, so y'all might want to back the fuck up. So that's a definite.
No, why don't you just fart.
Why not announce it?
Because that's a lot of stuff to clean. You right. You gotta fart.
Okay, keep changing your clothes because you pissing everywhere. Like, no.
Quick check, sponsor me, please. So
they don't even like us. Would you rather fight 100 duck-sized horses, or one horse-sized duck? It's stupid ass questions. Would you rather
fight 100 duck-sized horses or 100 duck-sized horses? Because I know I can beat up any person that comes in my way. Actually, I can take them both. Come at me. You don't want the strap. I will strap back. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have all the guns. I got all the whips. But let me move my thing over before I spill it. Also, you just gonna talk behind my side.
What you doing?
All right. I'm gonna do 100 duck-sized horses because I can take that.
Goodbye. Alright, would you rather be a tree or have to live in a tree for the rest of your life?
Wait, no, it's my turn. Yeah. Would you rather be... I'm sorry. I'm lost. Would you rather be a tree or have to live in a tree for the rest of your life?
Oh, I'll live in a tree. I mean, I'm gonna make like a big ass luxury.
You gonna be a squirrel? You want to be a squirrel?
No, I'm just saying.
Yo.
What?
Yo. I don't want Quick Check to sponsor me no more, bro.
What happened?
Every time I go there, I order extra bacon, extra onions. Where do you see sauteed onions?
Open it.
I don't even need I saw them fall out my sandwich. Look, and it's barely.
It's not in there. Oh, damn. Fuck.
I want my crispiness in here.
So we'll be back. We gotta go curse them out.
I want my crispiness in here. But anyway, so you want to be the giving tree? You want to be the giving tree or no? Damn.
Nah, I would live in a tree because I think like if I live as a tree, like you just sit in there, like you just sit. And there's a chance that I might get cut down. So I'm gonna just build a big ass motherfucking tree, luxury tree.
They're still gonna cut you down.
Bitch, if they touch my house, bitch, we fighting. Alright. You are in a crowded room, right? Would you rather fart loud? What's up with all these farts? Would you rather fart loudly and everyone laughs at you, or be the only one laughing obnoxiously when someone else farts?
I already farted when somebody farts.
Yeah, basically.
I already laughed when somebody farts, so
Why not?
farts when somebody laugh when somebody farts.
Yeah, who cares? Bitch, you fart, you fart. Hey.
Would you rather begin every sentence with a "Hey, idiot," or
bitch, I would never get a job,
or end every sentence with "Ha ha ha, I was just kidding." Dang, that's
like, I'm sorry for your loss. I was just kidding. Hey, idiot. I'll do that. I'll say really like, if it was like a professional, whatever thing, I'll be like, hey, idiot. Yeah, so.
I think they mean like you gotta say it loud.
I gotta say it loud?
I don't know.
Hey, idiot! I was just wondering what's up.
You can do that job interview.
Hey, idiot?
Yeah.
No. This bitch just called me an idiot. Let me just... No,
What?
it's your turn.
Alright.
It's your turn.
No, it's your turn.
Is it?
Yeah.
Would you rather live one life that lasts 1,000 years, right? Or live 10 lives that last 100 years each?
I'm not good at math. I don't know.
Nonchalant.
Oh, wait.
Would you rather live one life that lasts 1,000 years? Like you have this life, 1,000 years, like you're living.
Mm-hmm.
Or live 10 lives that last 100 years each?
10 lives, 100 years each, because this world is going down, and I do not want to be here for more than what I am here now. So
That's smart.
I don't, because I'm gonna edit. Would you rather be without elbows? Damn.
I need my elbows.
Damn. Or be without knee? Damn. You won't ever give a blow.
Bitch,
I mean,
like, stop.
you're gonna be like,
but then mom got elbows.
you got no elbows. You gonna
pass me the drink. That's exactly.
You need to go. You need to go.
Damn, if I don't got knees, like how? Anyway, alright, I'll live without elbows. That's not funny.
Man.
Would you rather fart? What's up with these farts?
You always need to fart with me.
Would you rather fart really loud or poop your pants silently? I'll fart really loud.
Fart really loud.
Right, what the fuck?
Cause my fart smell like peaches and cream mixed with cherry on top.
Disgusting. And
Peaches are not disgusting, first of all.
alright, go.
Would you rather have diarrhea every day for the next 3 months, or be constipated every day for the next 3 months?
I'll be constipated. Who the fuck wanna go through diarrhea? That's so disgusting. You gotta keep constantly going to the bathroom.
But for 3 months.
For 3
So basically
months.
what old people do.
No, stop. Would you rather use eye drops made of vinegar? My mom do that. That's crazy. She'd be like, I don't know. Made of vinegar or toilet paper made from sandpaper?
Yes, I love that rough shit. Yes.
Bitch, you ain't gonna have no booty hole after that.
Alright, it's like, I don't really need to use it anyway. Like, I barely use it now, so I'm like,
What the hell?
okay, nah.
Damn, that's hard. Damn, your eyes would be burning.
Well, you say your mom do it?
She do, but
I think that's probably why. I don't use vinegar.
Alright, maybe it's okay, huh? If you mix it with
Well, I mean, whatever made out of sandpaper.
that shit, like,
depends
you're
on the-
gone. Like, your asshole is gone.
It depends on the rough, like the texture of it.
You know they give you some hard ass sandpaper?
No. I'm goofy.
Bitch, I would not wipe my ass. I'm sorry, that's
You rather be a clown who distracts the bull or the cowboy who rides the bull? Ooh.
The cowboy who rides the bull, the fuck?
You wanna ride the bull, huh? You wanna ride the boat?
Hey.
Ride the boat. Ride the boat. Sorry, guys.
Say sorry to you, my Would you rather have to go to the bathroom in a giant litter box? What the fuck? In your house, okay? Or anywhere you want, but only outside.
Ooh, anywhere I want outside. Right.
Would you rather have to go to the bathroom in a giant litter box?
That's right? A giant litter box in your house.
Yeah. Yeah.
You'll still go outside and do it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's litter box.
No, that's sand.
But you
all
won't have
up
to
in
clean it
your
up and shit,
shoe.
though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let the flies do that for you, you know? That's their job. Would you rather have 500 tarantulas crawling in your house?
Oh, no.
Let's not talk about spiders.
Mm-hmm.
Or 1,000 crickets jumping around your room.
Bitch. Tarantulas, I'm sorry.
What? What?
1,000 crickets? 1,000 in your room jumping on you and shit like that? Hell no.
But it's tarantulas. It's tarantulas.
I mean, they're not that bad. I mean, you could have them as pets and shit. But like crickets, like
You can have them as pets too.
1,000?
Big bite snake.
No.
Oh,
What the?
You and I
Let me
don't
move this. Let me move this. I think this wanted to die.
know.
This bitch drinking blue Sprite. Would you rather go about your normal day naked or fall asleep for a year?
My normal day naked.
Bitch, I'll be in the house all the time. Honestly.
Your normal day. Your normal day. Your...
That is my normal day. Staying in the house.
You're right. Everybody gonna leave me alone.
Bitch.
Wake up.
No, put me in a sauna while I'm asleep. I'll lose a bunch of weight.
For a year, yo, you gotta come out like this straw. Like you.
Yo, like take me out when I'm at least like 100. Would you rather always wear earmuffs or a nose plug?
No, because some people stink.
Some people stink. Why not earmuffs? Like
Your ears gonna be sweating.
that's so true though. I mean, damn, like I need my nose though. Like I don't know.
I do earmuffs. Some people won't really bother me actually.
Your mama like, no, I just not wash the dish.
Let's play that pop. Oh my god, the remix?
Oh yes, it's good. Well, I don't know about Monkey Ball.
It's already fire. She put Chung-Li in it.
See, that's where she fucked up. Oh no.
Oh!
Hey. Alright. We love y'all. Y'all are niggas. And yeah.
That's racist.
I mean, y'all are wicked niggas. Wicked niggas. Alright.
There you go. You know, Z-Scribe. Yeah, we trying to lose weight here now. So Z-Scribe. Like, you know, comment. I said like, comment, subscribe, and everything. Hey, everything. Okay, I don't know what else to.
Anyway, make sure y'all hit the fucking subscribe button. Make sure you come back because if you don't come back, we're gonna be up in your house and we're gonna be fighting and shit like that. And make sure y'all hit the notification button, even though she don't post like that. But hit the notification button.
I'm getting there.
She's getting there. Yeah. Anyway, bye.
Get your big back ass up.